Good day everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now I will teach you how to get the next number in this sequence 1, 4, 9, 16 in just 10 seconds. Okay, so what is the next number in this sequence 1, 4, 9, 16? So if you notice, the numbers are all perfect square number. So meaning to say 1, 4, 9, 16, you just square the counting numbers. So how to square the counting numbers? 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, and 5 square. So if you square 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, that means 2 times 2. 3 square, 3 times 3 is 9. 4 square, 4 times 4 is 16. And the next number is 5. So 5 square is equal to 25. Okay, so thanks for watching. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more video lesson.